Hello and welcome to the Hero Arts My Monthly Hero Kit program. Our stamping and die cutting kits are widely popular among crafters and provide a unique assortment of products at an exceptional value. The contents of the kits typically value around $80 or more, but are sold for only $34.99. You can purchase the kits as a one-time purchase or by becoming a subscriber to get free shipping, discounts, and a guaranteed kit. There are only a limited number of kits available each month. In many cases, our kits sell out, sometimes within 24 hours, and by subscribing, you will never miss out on such a fantastic deal. When you subscribe, you'll also receive subscriber-exclusive discounts and specials. These offers will come to you via email on launch day. Our kits have a specific theme envisioned by the Hero Arts design team, which is unique each month. We also like to include unique items like specialty embossing powders, papers, washi tapes, and ink pads, just to name a few, some of which are only found in the kits and not available for purchase outside of the kit, which makes the value even better. Along with the kit, we also release add-on products such as stamps, dies, stencils, and more that complement the theme that month. These products can be purchased individually or as a special bundle at a discount and ship free for subscribers. Kits and add-ons become available for purchase on the first Monday of every month at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, unless there is a holiday, in which case the release date would typically move to that Tuesday. The subscription is auto-renewing, so no need to worry from month to month. As a subscriber, once the kit goes live, not only do you get free shipping for U.S. customers, but you can add any additional products from our online shop to your order up until that Thursday that also ship free. Then, beginning on Friday and continuing through the following week, your kit and order or orders will ship all together. For international customers, we have discounted shipping rates that you can view in the FAQ section of the My Monthly Hero Kit area of our website. 3 days before the launch of the kit, you can head over to the Hero Arts blog where the amazing Hero Arts creative team will be sharing their sneak peeks. We call this the Countdown to Creativity. You will find a wide variety of inspiration to give you a taste of what the kit is going to look like. We celebrate Release Day with a blog hop where we are joined by the creative team and friends of Hero Art, many of whom provide instructional blog posts and how-to videos. If you are on Instagram, you can search #MyMonthlyHero for all sorts of beautiful project inspiration. You can always find a release video on the Hero Arts YouTube channel on Release Day where we walk through the contents of the kit and show kit inspiration from our team. The day after the release, we also have a video on our YouTube channel to further jumpstart your creativity with the kit. Because we love interacting with the Hero Arts community, we do a live stream the day after the release, walking through the kit and add-ons and showing you in-person inspiration. We love to hear what your favorite items are from the kits and answer any questions you might have. Thank you for your interest in our My Monthly Hero Kits, Creativity in a Box, and thank you for being a part of the stamping community as we find joy and creativity at Hero Arts because of you.
Hello, this is Aaron Leventhal from Hero Arts. We want to give you a behind-the-scenes look at our My Monthly Hero program in its 6th year. We're very excited and proud that you've been supporting us all these years, and we just wanted to give you a little glimpse into how we do it. Once our design team, Laura, Robin, Ron, Manami, and Yesenia, come up with the designs, we then produce a lot of the products by hand in-house. We package all of the accessories and the ribbon, the clear, the cling, the stencils, whatever may be in that month's kit, which is always different. And then we box it up right here for you by hand, put it together when you place an order, and then we ship it out towards you. And when you get it, you receive a box, My Monthly Hero, sealed with love, hand-packed by Hero Arts, unique every month, 6 years running. Thank you very much for this quick behind the scenes. Thank you for being such a great customer.